In this module, you will learn about safe turning towards right and left at intersections. Roads are always not straight. There are often bends and turns. Turning requires motorists to be extremely alert and aware of the other road users around. It is always better to plan the turn well in advance, as it will provide the motorists with sufficient time to prepare and complete the turn safely. Let's see one by one how to turn safely at different intersections. Right turn at T intersection. To make a right turn from T intersection, plan well in advance. While approaching, follow the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors, turn on right indicator, position the vehicle in the center of the lane, and before stopping, position the vehicle towards the right side, approximately 1 meter from the right boundary. Meanwhile, reduce the speed and obey the traffic sign. Look around for the traffic and other possible hazards. Give way to the vehicles on left, and if there are pedestrians in the way, allow them to cross safely. Once the road is clear, complete the turn in the center of the right lane. Check center mirror to see the traffic behind. Cancel the signal and increase the speed gradually up to the required limit as per the condition of the road. Turn on multiple lane road. Some terminating roads have 2 lanes that merge into continuing road that has multi-lanes. In such cases, to turn safely, use the extreme right lane on the terminating road to turn into the extreme right lane of the continuing road. Motorists can also use the left lane in terminating road to turn right onto the continuing road. In this case, motorists can turn into the second lane from the right side or the extreme left lane depending where they intend to go from the junction ahead. If planning to go straight, follow the MSPSL routine in left lane from the terminating road, check mirrors, turn on left indicator, position the vehicle in the center of the lane, and reduce the speed. Obey the traffic sign. Look around for the traffic and other possible hazards. Once the road is clear, motorists may enter in the second lane from the right side. After completing the turn, check mirrors, cancel the signal, and increase speed quickly to match with the traffic stream on the road. If motorists are planning to make left or U-turn from the junction ahead, they must use the left indicator and may directly move into the extreme left lane, considering all necessary checks. Right turn at traffic lights. Mostly traffic light intersections have the slip lanes that are used to turn right without actually entering in the intersection. Therefore, to make a right turn from the traffic light, motorists must use the slip lane if available. While approaching towards the slip lane, follow the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors. Turn on right indicator. Position the vehicle in the center of the lane and reduce the speed. Look around for the potential hazards, such as pedestrians or cyclists at the pedestrian crossing, in the middle of the slip lane, and vehicles on the main stream. Before joining the main road, motorists must give priority to traffic already on the main stream. Check traffic and match speed to fit safely into the traffic flow on the lane next to the slip lane. If the slip lane continues for a little longer, consider changing the indicator to left before entering in the open lane next to the slip lane on the left. If the traffic flow is heavy in the mainstream, motorists may drive till the end to adjust in the flow of the traffic. Remember, do not cross the solid white line that separates slip lane from the mainstream. Left turn at intersection. Motorists may turn left from the intersection. There are 2 types of turnings for left. A. Turning left into continuing road from terminating to continuing road. B. Turning left from continuing road from continuing to side road. Turning left into continuing road. To make a left turn from T intersection, follow the MSPSL routine while approaching. Check mirrors, turn on left indicator, position the vehicle in the center of the lane, and before stopping, position the vehicle well to the left on the right-hand lane for safe turning. Meanwhile, reduce the speed and obey the traffic sign. Look around for the traffic and other possible hazards. Give way to the vehicles on left and right. Moreover, if there are pedestrians in the way, allow them to cross safely. Make sure the road is completely clear, as the vehicles on the continuing road, while turning, may obstruct the view by creating a blind spot which can easily hide two-wheelers or pedestrians. Once the road is clear, make the left turn with an appropriate turning angle in the center of the corresponding lane. After completing the turn, check center mirror to see the traffic behind. Cancel the signal and increase the speed gradually up to the required limit as per the condition of the road. Turning left from continuing road. To make a left turn from continuing road to a side road, plan early and locate the turn. While approaching, follow the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors, turn on left indicator. Position the vehicle in the center of the lane, and before stopping, position the vehicle close to center line. Meanwhile, reduce the speed and look for the oncoming traffic, overtaking vehicle from behind or other possible hazards. Once the road is clear, make the left turn in the corresponding lane with an appropriate turning angle. After completing the turn, check center mirror to see the traffic behind, cancel the signal and increase the speed gradually up to the required limit as per the condition of the road. Left turn at traffic lights. Mostly traffic light intersections have dedicated lanes for the left or U-turn, which are separated by a divider or solid line from the main stream. These may vary from 1 to 3 with lane arrows. Motorists may use any of these lanes. However, it is preferred to use the first available lane for the left turn indicated by the arrow. After lane change, start approaching in the selected lane by following the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors, turn on left indicator, position the vehicle in the center of the lane, and reduce the speed. Obey the traffic light and look around for the potential hazards, such as pedestrians, cyclists, vehicles in the yellow box, and emergency vehicles. Once the signal is green and exit is clear, motorists can turn in the corresponding lane of the new road with an appropriate turning angle. After completing the turn, check mirrors, cancel the signal, and increase speed quickly to match with the traffic stream on the road. Remember, extreme left lane is commonly used to make a U-turn unless the No U-turn sign is posted. If the lane is marked with a U arrow, it indicates that this lane is dedicated only for the U-turn. Now let's see the different types of U-turns and their turning procedure. A U-turn is a turn on the road that facilitates to turn on the other side of the road so that motorists can proceed in the opposite direction. Before making a U-turn, motorists must signal their intention for a reasonable time, move into the turning lane at the earliest opportunity, stop before the stop line, have a clear view of traffic in either direction. In this region, U-turns are always found on the left side of the roadway. To make a U-turn safely, plan well in advance and pull in extreme left lane before entering the turning lane. In general, there are two types of U-turns. They are open U-turn, closed U-turn. These U-turns are commonly found on dual carriageway roads, somewhere in between the stretch of road. They are usually controlled by stop, sign, or traffic light with a solid line. Open U-turn. An open U-turn is where a U-turn is being made opposite to another road. While approaching towards the open U-turn, follow the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors. Turn on left signal. Position the vehicle in the turning lane. Gradually reduce the speed. Stop before the stop line, close to the median strip. Look for the traffic in either direction. It is advisable to do a head check for possible hazard like two-wheelers on the left side before turning. There will be usually 2 lanes or 3 lanes in the opposite road. If there are 2 lanes, before turning, make sure there is no vehicle in the opposite road or make eye contact for the priority. Once it is ensured, turn into the extreme right lane. After completing the U-turn, check mirrors, cancel the signal, and increase speed quickly to match with the traffic stream on the road. If there are 3 lanes, ensure the traffic, turn into the middle lane to keep the extreme right lane for the vehicles turning right from the opposite road. After completing the U-turn, check mirrors, cancel the signal, and increase speed quickly to match with the traffic stream on the road. After adjusting with the traffic stream, move to the right lane when it is safe. Motorists need to be extremely careful while making the U-turn. They must stop to observe the speed of the vehicle in the main carriageway, as it could be at high speed. Misjudgment might result in serious consequences. The following clip will show the real accident where motorists at U-turn misjudged the speed of the vehicle on main carriageway and were involved in a major accident. Closed U-turn. A closed U-turn is where no road is located opposite the U-turn area. While approaching towards the closed U-turn, follow the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors. Turn on left signal. Position the vehicle in the turning lane. Gradually reduce the speed. Stop in the center before the stop line. Look for the traffic in the main stream. Do a head check for possible hazards like two-wheelers on the left side before turning. Once the road is clear, motorists must turn into the extreme right lane of the carriageway, irrespective of 2 or 3 lanes. After completing the U-turn, check mirrors and increase speed quickly to match with the traffic stream on the road. Other common types of U-turns are as follows: 3-point turn, intersection U-turn. To learn more about these common types of U-turns and their procedure, you may click to play or choose to skip. 3-point turn. 3-point turns are used when a road is too narrow to complete the U-turn. This is usually done on two-way roads. This turn should not be made if there is a junction, bend, or crest of a hill. There is a single or double solid line. Before making this turn, make sure it is legal and safe. Moreover, the view should be clear to ensure the traffic in both directions. Let's see how to make a 3-point turn safely. First of all, do the approaching using the MSPSL routine. Check mirrors for the traffic behind. When it is completely clear, turn on the left signal. Position the vehicle close to the right side. Reduce the speed and stop the vehicle parallel to the curb approximately 30 centimeters away. Look around again, including left shoulder. When it is safe, move slowly and turn the steering wheel full lock left. Just before reaching the curb, approximately 1 meter from the curb, turn the steering wheel to the right to make the front tires straight. Brake gently and stop the vehicle. Select reverse gear. Look around again, including right and left shoulder, to see if it is safe to continue. Reverse slowly and do a quick look over left shoulder for the unexpected traffic or pedestrians. Turn the steering wheel full lock to the right while moving slowly. Just before reaching back curb, approximately 1 meter from the curb, turn the steering wheel to the left to make the front tires straight. Brake gently and stop the vehicle before hitting the curb. Look both sides of the road to see if it is safe to continue. Turn on left signal and then start moving slowly. Turn the steering wheel looking ahead of the right lane. After straightening the vehicle, cancel the signal and check the mirrors. Intersection U-turn. Another common U-turn is traffic light U-turn. This U-turn is made from the extreme left lane. Motorists must change lanes to reach to the extreme left lane. After entering the extreme left lane, follow the MSPSL routine and obey the traffic light to make a U-turn. Once the traffic light is green and exit is clear, complete the U-turn in the extreme right lane. After turning, when the vehicle is straight, motorists must check right side shoulder for the traffic joining from the slip lane. Look for the vehicles, check mirrors, and increase speed accordingly to match with the traffic stream on the road. Motorists must not make U-turn if there is no U-turn sign, no left turn sign unless there is a U-turn permitted sign.